Hey guys, what is going on? It is a Tuesday around 5. I had some extra time today, and lately I've just been hitting the carp. Like, I've been catching koi and I caught a carp. I mean, I've been on 2 this week, and up until this point I haven't been able to catch carp. They've been like my enemy. Not because I don't like them, but because I just couldn't catch them. So I think I figured out the secret. I'm going to go down there today and test out my theory and see if I found the secret to catching carp. Stay tuned. Also, I'm looking elsewhere because I think there's a snake right here. There is. Water snake. Can y'all see that? Woo. These things scare me. Alright, so here's the deal. These carp are typically in like 4 different spots. The third one always has them and has a ton. So I'm going to check the first and second one. They typically have less carp there, but I got the trout magnet on, so I'm going to throw this anyway and just see if what I can catch. Probably maybe get lucky and get a sunfish or something. But if I see carp, I'll take the body off and throw some bait on and try to catch one. Terrible cast. That's a nice bass. I just had a nice bass bite. Get out of here. See if we can mimic that. Replicate that bite. I just can't believe I just missed that bass. I think my cast was so awful. I was not expecting anything to bite it. And what do we catch? Green sunfish. Nice size. Love the colors of these things. Look at that guy. Wow, beautiful fish. These sunfish are just incredible. Jumped right out of my hands. And if I look on edge, it's because there's a giant snapping turtle that lives here. And honestly, the parts of the creek that we're going, I was here yesterday and I saw so many dang snapping turtles. Man, those things are so hard to get to bite. These fish down here, I don't know what it is. If this place gets fished a lot, they do not want to bite. Oh, and I had one, I missed it. And right when I say that, of course, they bite. I don't know what type of fish these are. If these are like hybrids. That's like a hybrid between a green sunfish and a blue sunfish. Or excuse me, a bluegill and a green sunfish. Like, I'm pretty sure that's a hybrid. It's actually awesome. That's so cool. I need to get a picture of that guy. That's a can y'all see that? I'm gonna hold this up in case he gets off because he's not hooked up all that great. Dude, that is definitely a hybrid between a green sunfish and a bluegill. That is awesome. So real quick, I'll give you all one last look because that's a hybrid sunfish. Hybrid between a bluegill and a green sunfish. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And he's gone. And there's like bluegills sitting around, like just hanging out. There's a bass down there too, smallie. Awesome. Just caught a bluegill, so I decided to turn it back on. Oops, he was about to kick and spike me. Well, that was worth it. So let me see if I can grab another one. All right, I'm gonna see if I can catch a sunfish real quick. That was quick. Little red belly, little red belly. See you later, bud. All right, guys, here's the deal. Got to the third spot. This is really good for carp. There'll be a ton of carp here. Didn't see any upstream. That's fine. Checked about 2 spots there. There wasn't anything. With the trout mag on, was able to catch some cool sunfish. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that. And now I'm going to attempt, I should say. I'm not going to attempt to catch some carp. If my theory is right, we should catch at least one today. But the secret ingredient that I'm going to be using is corn. Like, I've just been hitting them on corn. I've used bread. I use this magic bait for carp. Don't use that. It just doesn't work. Or use it, but use it with caution. I wouldn't get it. I'd advise against it. Did nothing. I haven't seen anything bite it. So hopefully we'll be able to get a carp here. I'm going to throw some corn on, and I'll be right back. Yep. Oh, he bit it and then he spit it. He is a smart one. Never thought that they would do that. Got him. So, no. Crap. We gotta go get him out of the thick brush. No. You gotta come out. Oh, I see him. The question is where... Where'd you get yourself wrapped around, son? Oh, he's gonna... So here's the deal. This is not an ideal situation at all. He's got himself stuck good in there. So if y'all are wondering how much trouble I will go through to help a fish, did he get off? I will go through a lot. Let's see where he is. Okay. We're getting there, bud. I need him to tire out a little bit more. Okay. So if you guys are wondering, like, what are the risks to fishing with micro, with an ultralight rod for carp? This would definitely be one of them. Oh. Okay, good, 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 good. We got him out. Woo! Let's get to the side here. He's actually pretty small compared to the ones that are in there, so hey bud, you gave me a run for my money there. Yeah, he's small for a carp. This guy's tiny. Tiny, tiny carp. And the tiny ones have the most fight in them too. Give you another good look at him. That's what it's about, baby. Piece of his tail's missing. All right, got him off. There we go. Dragging me through the brush. This little guy. Crazy on the micro, on the ultralight. Let's let him go. Probably just as tired as I am. I'm gonna give you a second. Whoop. That one gave me a little run for my money. That's funny. I think he snapped my line. Oh no, he spit the hook? Really? He bent the hook. Look at that. Wow. Alright y'all, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I did record an outro when I was at the creek, but I didn't really like the way it turned out. So I just came back, did a voiceover over some minnows that I filmed with my underwater camera. So I'm really glad that this video came out because my whole life I've struggled to catch carp. And I've tried a bunch of different baits, but I switched to corn, and this has been like the secret ingredient for me that isn't secret. I mean, it's pretty well known, but it's just made a world of difference. And carp are now becoming one of my favorite fish to catch. One of the things I will caution is before you use corn, please check your local laws and regulations. Corn's legal in the majority of bodies of water across the US, but there are some where it's illegal to use corn. So please just look into that before you go fishing and use corn as bait. So thanks for watching, y'all. Like I said, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See y'all.